Welcome to the Upper Key Stage 2 end of term assembly. We've come to the end of another term and your teachers have had to make the difficult decision once again who to choose one person for the award for bookworm, writer, mathematician and star of the term. These are based on work ethic and effort, progress or attainment. Before I begin announcing award, I would like to introduce you to Lena and Lahara.
Year 5 loved their theme this term, survival. They have learned how we can make a difference to keeping our planet healthy so it will survive for generations to come. Particularly how human behavior can have such an impact on our oceans and coastlines. One highlight of the term was their survival day, where they learned how to filter water and their design technology skills were put to the test building a shelter. The corridor is decorated with a variety of artwork, including watercolors in the style of Turner, and some matrix models are impressive too. As part of their learning, they immersed themselves in the story of Kensuke's kingdom and wrote their own story related to the consequences of ignored warnings. Well done, Year 5.
Year 6 began the term learning about classifying living things and microorganisms. They were keen scientists investigating the conditions of growth of mold and demonstrated how to conduct fair tests. The term then developed into one of a mystery and suspense as they inquired who is Banksy. Their creativity was outstanding as they competed with the famous artists to create their own street art now beautifully displayed in the corridor. Even their writing was marvelously mysterious as they excelled in the unit of suspense. After reading the story of Francis, the term concluded with an inquiry on Antarctica, exploring the famous explorer Ernest Shackleton. Well done, Year 6.
I will start with 5H. Mathematician of the term goes to Saad. Writer of the term goes to Kareem. Bookworm of the term goes to Duru. And the star of the term goes to Al-Juri. Al-Juri has been chosen for her good progress that she has made over the past term. She has shown a quiet determination to succeed and always tries her best, both at school and at home. Ms. Hamilton is very proud of her effort, her growing confidence and her independence, and she is sure that her positive attitude to work will continue to grow and develop over the coming months. Well done, Al-Juri. In 5T, our mathematician of the term goes to Nasser Al-Hajri. Our writer of the term goes to Raid. Our bookworm of the term goes to Sheikha. And our star of the term goes to Sai. Sai has been chosen for her hard work that has been continuous over the last term. In addition to that, she has shown a massive improvement in her writing, an even higher standard than has been expected. Sai is thoroughly deserving of this term star of the term, and Mr. Palfrey can't wait to watch her grow even more as she prepares for Year 6. In 5F, our mathematician of the term is Hamad. Our writer of the term is Jana. Our bookworm of the term is Umair. And our star of the term is Haya. Haya has been chosen because she's shown an excellent improvement in her effort in class as well as at home. She tries hard in all areas of the curriculum and she always has a positive and friendly attitude to everyone in class. Finally, in 5G, we start with our mathematician, Alanud. Our writer is Jaden. Our bookworm is Zachariah. And our star of the term is Nasser Al-Thani. And Nasser has been chosen as Star of the Term for his excellent attitude to his learning. He has consistently worked hard and challenged himself in all areas of learning. He always produces great work both at home and at school, and the class have loved listening to his ideas during class discussions. Well done, Nasser. And finally, we end with our Artist of the Term and our Languages Awards. The French Star of the Term goes to Mariam. Our Arabic Star of the Term goes to Sarah El-Anazi. And our Artist of the Term goes to Santosh in 5G. Well done to all our Year 5 winners. In Year 6, we start with 6S. Their Mathematician of the Term is Bianca. Their Writer of the Term is Mamoon. Their Bookworm of the Term is Samara. And their Star of the Term is Aisha. Aisha has a wonderful newfound confidence this term. She tries her best in all that she does and has really shown perseverance with tasks. This term has seen Aisha show the superstar that she is. In 6C, the Mathematician of the Term is Lena. The Writer of the Term is Adiz. The Bookworm of the Term is Hussein. And our Star of the Term is Yusuf. Yusuf always works to the best of his ability and will always listen to advice given. He's a fantastic role model to the class and has demonstrated the Sherborne values consistently. In 6G, the Mathematician of the Term goes to Gada. The Writer of the Term goes to Yusuf. The Bookworm of the Term goes to Rayan. And our Star of the Term goes to Al-Jahara Al-Hitmi. Al-Jahara has shown consistent effort to improve this term and is always trying her best. Most impressive is that she has also improved her attitude at home, completing work, doing extra challenges and joining interventions to improve her knowledge, skills and understanding. Keep up the good work, Al-Jahara. And in 6L, our Mathematician of the Term goes to Rayhan. Our Writer of the Term goes to Josiah. Our Bookworm of the Term goes to Al-Anud. And our Star of the Term goes to Aisha. Aisha has put in a tremendous amount of effort this term, both in class and at home. She works with such enthusiasm and has a clear love for her learning. Well done, Aisha. And finally, the French and Language Stars of the Term. First of all, for French, we have Elizabeth. For Arabic, we have Hamad Al-Thani. And the Artist of the Term goes to Lamar Adas. Well done to all our Year 6 winners. Finally, before I ask our heads of school to say a few words, may I congratulate everyone in Upper Key Stage 2 on a successful term, and may I wish you all a wonderful spring break. I look forward to seeing Green Group back in school on the 11th of April, and Blue Group working from home. Have a wonderful holiday.
It has been 1 year since we were forced into lockdown and the pandemic hit, forcing us into a very different style of learning. This term, the continued perseverance and resilience shown by everyone in the school is admirable. Continued respect and care for everyone in the Sherborne community is also commendable. There is no doubt about it, we love being in school, and the longer school day announced at half-term was welcome news. Blended learning has meant we all have had to become more independent in our approach to learning, and it is wonderful to see improved confidence with so many students. This has been particularly evident in our use of Microsoft Teams to enhance all our online learning as well as our improved IT skills.
This term, we have enjoyed many special events and learning through our thematic approach. Our teachers are doing their very best to ensure we can have as normal an experience as possible in these uncertain times. Our virtual International House Day was a great opportunity to celebrate the diversity we have in school, and we all enjoyed learning about different nationalities and cultures around the world. There is a real buzz and excitement in this school week, with our postponed book week ending our busy but productive spring term. On behalf of all the children, we would like to thank our teachers and all the staff at Sherborne for keeping us safe and happy. We hope everyone has a wonderful spring holiday.